In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a library of floor plans and unit layouts using PlanMatch for Revit. You'll see how to access previous designs for reference, reuse them directly within Revit, and keep your design standards organized in one central location. To learn more, visit our website linked in the description below. To access the PlanMatch library, I will go to the Add-ins toolbar and open PlanMatch. When launching PlanMatch for the first time, I will need to upload plans to store in my library. I will click on Add in the side menu. Here, I can add plans by selecting Revit Areas or Rooms. I will click on Areas, choose Areas from the Revit view, then click Finish. PlanMatch will display the selected plans for final review before saving. I can see the attached data for each plan, such as the name, area, and project name. Additionally, I can see custom parameters and add tags. I will select a category or type a new one, ensure the plans are selected, and click Save to Library, then Done. The plans are now saved in PlanMatch. Under Search, I can view my content in either grid or table view. I can sort my plans by type, name, area, project, tags, and more. To hide or remove fields, I can right-click and select which field to add or remove. To search in my library, I can simply use free text. The Smart Text search includes tags, comments, and custom parameters. PlanMatch will highlight the matching results. To narrow down my search results, I can use filters such as categories, types, date of creation, area range, and compatibility with my Revit version. PlanMatch allows me to find the best match by shape and area. I will click Choose Area Room in Revit and select the area from my Revit view. The Match field will display results by percentage, showing how closely each plan matches the selected area or room. The selected area room outline from Revit will be overlaid on the plan in the preview window. The outline acts like trace paper, indicating how closely the plan matches the selected area shape. I can move, rotate, and mirror the outline. In the Plan Viewer, I can view additional details such as the plan name and project name, along with more detailed information like area, creator, creation date, last update, Revit version, and PlanMatch version. Under File Location, I can see the file path to the source file, which can be stored locally or in the cloud. I can add tags and comments, change categories, or create new ones by typing directly. Under Custom Properties, I can see additional custom Revit parameters. In the plan preview, I can pan, zoom in and out, and see the true north direction, indicated by the north arrow. Under Actions, I can do several things. I can save any changes I have made by clicking Save. When selecting Open in Revit, this action will open the source Revit file and zoom into the plan itself. With this function, I can explore the plan further within its original project context. See information on families and room parameters. Copy and reuse the plan or its elements. I can sync the plan with the source Revit file and keep it updated. I can duplicate and save a new copy or remove it from PlanMatch. PlanMatch is a collaborative platform that allows you to assign permissions to your team members. As an admin, I can set the following permissions for users: blocked, no access granted. Viewer can search and view content. Editor can upload, edit, and delete content. And admin can edit, upload, and delete content, as well as manage permissions. I can also automatically grant permissions to new users. For more information, the user guide, and account management, I can go to the info icon at the bottom. Thanks for watching.